What up, people? Flip Your Worth TV. New day, new vlog, same hustle. You know the motto. So right now, I'm at the downtown compound, and I want to show you guys the master suite. Now, if you've been watching this series, you know this has been a long project, and the master has went through a lot of renovation. It's had a full makeover. I mean, from what it was before, what it was initially, it wasn't even a master. We turned a whole wing of the house into a master. When I should say we, I mean me and my crew, because I felt like a house at this price point, $1 million house, definitely needs a ridiculously big master, and it just has to have something that stands out. Now, there's a couple of features in here that stand out, but for this vlog, I'm gonna just show you guys the master. So if you remember how it looked before, I'm gonna show you guys now. Now what has been done is we have carpet in. It's been painted. It has the balcony, tile has been done. The bathroom is pretty much finished, and there's a master closet. But that's the list of things that's been done, and now I'm gonna walk you through and show it to you. So here's your entry, your door. Let's go inside. And here is your master. Now, as you see, as I was telling you guys, all new carpet installed. This your master. I mean, seriously, take a moment. I'm standing in the center of the room right now. Just want you to take a moment and realize how big this master suite is. Give you a nice slow pan so you can take it all in. Now that I've given you the panoramic view, I can break down what's going on. So initially right here, there was no wall here. This was actually all the open space, and like I said, this was an office building, so it actually used to be a kitchen up here, and these were offices in the back. That is not the case now. Had this wall built up. On the other side of that wall, I had a laundry room built. So when you come in, this whole side of the house is just, this whole wing of the house is just your master. So here, what I'm gonna do on this side, once I get the furniture, I'm probably gonna put 2 chairs right there, a little round table in the middle, have a nice little sitting area. On this side, because this wall is so huge, I'm gonna put probably could put a California King here, nightstand here, nightstand there, put a nice long dresser here. Over here, I'm gonna put a couch, I'm gonna put a little table, and then on this side right here, put a huge, massive TV, probably like an 80-inch or something like that, whatever works. But that's what I would do in regards to the design choices. Now, outside of design choices, let me just show you some of the actual work that was done. Clearly, you see the place was completely painted, but I think I might have showed you that in the last video. I don't remember. I got so many projects going on, and I'm posting different videos, so I can't really remember what was last. So you got to work with me on that one. But yeah, this is all painted. I just had all the carpet put in. And out here is the balcony. Now, initially, this balcony wasn't really a balcony. Because it was an office building, they had a staircase that was coming up, and this was kind of an entrance into the second floor. There was 2 staircases. If you saw the last vlog, that I know for sure, or like 2 vlogs ago, I think I showed you when I showed you the outside. And I showed you where the one of the spiral staircases was. But there's a few vlogs back, you actually saw when we cut that staircase off. Neither here nor there. There was another staircase that came up over here. I'm gonna show you guys that. But over here, let me come out here. Let's show you. Let me show you the double doors, which you've probably seen before. So here's your double doors I was put in. I think I showed you on the last one too. So here's your balcony. Now, originally I had the concrete redone on here, and then I had all new ceramic flooring put in. Also had the rail, because as you remember, this rail was not here. So I had a brand new rail put in, which was mandatory. Gotta have a nice rail. And then I'll take you over here. See, this is where the staircase was. See, staircase completely gone. Those lines, those light lines right there is where all the rails were connected. Took that out. So I gotta patch all that in, fill it in, which I explained on the exterior vlog. And yeah, pretty much that's all got to be fixed. But you see, this is where the staircase is at. Staircase is no longer there. Now it's just the rail, and it's looking good. So come back inside, show you guys the master bathroom. With this light. So you have your nice soaking tub, nice big shower with the tub. Give you a close-up on the tile. Clearly the tile has to be clean. I know this is still an active construction site, so don't mind the dust and the dirt and the lines and all that stuff. All that will be done on the final. But I'll take you over here. Here's your separate stand-up shower. So this being your master, and this has to be changed. Let me show you this, but they put the wrong one in here. It's actually supposed to be that one right there. So that's supposed to match with this one, which I have. It's downstairs. The plumber is gonna put it in. But yeah, you have your whole separate shower here. I gotta get the glass door for this, which I have to order today. Over here, come to this side. Over here you have your toilet. That whole. Over here you have your toilet. You got a whole separate area for that. And then you have your vanity. Give you a close up on the vanity. See the fixed features. Nice marble countertop. Give you a close up on that. My plumber is coming to put the fixtures in. And then you got your two mirrors right here. Get you a close up on the detail. Now come in here. This light, this whole room is your master closet. This whole room is your master closet. I got all the shelves getting done, getting the whole shelving system put in here. My cabinet guy, he's gonna come in and do all the shelves and really make this place official. I mean, this is a full-size bedroom, and it's somebody's master closet. This is bigger than a lot of people's actual bedroom. I don't know if the camera is even giving it the full effect, but this is like a really big room. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I've given you guys a full tour of the master, and it's almost done. We're pretty much there at the finish line. There's a lot of other little projects going on in here, and I got the other vlogs lined up for that. I'll show you guys that one, and you'll see those as long as you subscribe to the channel, Flip Your Worth TV. Like this video because it helps with the algorithms. I appreciate the support, and hit the bell for notifications so you will know whenever I drop the next video, so that you can see the updates. And on that note, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Now I'll holler at you on the next one.